I'm making my sloppy joes and I'm serving them in a pita, so they're a little less sloppy. To get started, I'm heating up some olive oil and I'm gonna add a chopped onion and chopped red bell pepper. Good sizzle. This onion will add a perfect touch of sweetness. I'll add a pinch of salt, and that's gonna help my vegetables soften. I'll stir this around. As these continue to cook, I'll chop up some garlic. I'm gonna finely chop this, and I like kind of a lot of garlic in my sloppy joes. And I'm also gonna add some ground cumin and paprika. Cumin adds that earthy woodiness, and paprika will add some smokiness. I'll stir this around and let the spices toast. Growing up, my mom made sloppy joes all the time, and now I see why. They come together so easily. You've got veggies and protein in one handheld dish, and you get to say sloppy. I can't wait for my friends to eat these. Vegetables are looking and smelling good. I'm gonna grab my ground turkey now. And I'm using ground turkey because it's what my mom always used. And it's also a bowling reference, because you know, if you get 3 strikes in a row, you get a turkey. Okay, I'm gonna season my turkey. And then I'll cook this, breaking it up with my spoon until it's browned all over and in bite-sized pieces. I love how one pot this meal is. As this finishes up cooking, I'm gonna add some harissa paste, which is a smoky pepper paste that I just love. These sloppy joes are actually heavily inspired by my shakshuka sauce, which is a fiery tomato sauce. And believe me, I thought about calling these slopshuka. I'll spare you. I'll stir this around. I'll add some tomato paste. I'll add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. And then I'll bring it all together with a can of crushed red tomatoes. And I'll stir it and allow these flavors to mingle and meld together. I'll get some black pepper in here. And while this simmers, I'm gonna chop up some preserved lemon. And these are just lemons cured with salt, giving them an extra concentrated and bright flavor. And I'll add these right in. Let me take a taste before I put everything together. Oh my gosh. This just explodes with flavor. The heat from the harissa, the sweetness from the sugar. I'm ready to put these pitas together. I've got my pita pockets and my toppings. I'll grab a pita pocket. These are made just using my go-to recipe, but store-bought is fine too. And I'll spoon some of the filling right into the center. See how clean this is? It's almost wrong to call them sloppy. They're more like tidy joes. And then I'll top with a few sliced pickles. I love this shade of green. And they'll add some crunchy brininess, just that nice pop on top. A sprinkle of feta, it'll be nice and salty. And lastly, some chopped fresh parsley for that beautiful pop of green. Is this the prettiest sloppy joe you've ever seen? I've got to taste it. This sloppy joe is a solid strike. Now just 2 more, and then I've got a turkey.